birthday, 21 years old. God continue to bless us and bless all the friends and family here. Amen.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy na birthday pa! Happy birthday! Sana all! Nalood! Message, message! Message o massage?
Ako malipayon kay ko, pero nagwangan niya akong mga anak sa station.
Okay lang ah!
Lagi na lang, kailangan sa mga anak-anak nila. Tinanggaman ko nila. Salamat ninyong tanan. You're welcome.
Happy birthday!
Gitawag ko, mama, malipayon kay ko kay sa bukol. Mama kay ko, bisan asa.
Oo, ay, maski batog pa ka ma. Sinanggom ka ma.
Ilang noon.
Okay na, tears of joy mo na. Yeah. Eh, Mama ng Bayan, happy birthday!
Salamat ninyo, Mar.
Married! Tipakan na kung sa
May bawang sila pamigay sa Pilipinas.
Adila, hindi na yung pangatag mo ayaw. Ayaw.
I love Mama.
We love you!
Thank you. Love you ninyong tanan. Sana nakakagong mga anak din sa Amerika.
Ay, madami, Laida. Laida, panganak niyo ba sa Amerika daw?
Sa Pilipinas. Nakakagong anak-anak sa Pilipinas. Sa Amerika na kansa. Kesa may mong pinakapaborito nga anak-anak.
Ako!
Bakit ay pinakapaborito ng mga anak-anak? Ay wala. Kamong tanan ako ba? Dili, isa lang sa ako. Wala ka to.
Okay, one more time, again. 1, 2, 3, happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Good job, guys. Success!
May isa pa daw. May isa pa po kayo labas.
Party, birthday! Let's go!
Go, 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 shorty. It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip a card.
Hi, happy birthday, Mama Lorna. We love you so much.
Full of bub. Look, mommy, I got the X. I'm into taking drugs. I'm into having sex. I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug. Yeah.
Anas gilid, oh.
No, si Palasi. Yung ano ay... No, si Palasi. Napakagay. Kaya mo yan, Anas. Tama pa ginagawa mo,
I need you. Ayan na.
Hi, Mark.
Uy, basti na ni Franca.
Pagkagwapa, yun yung entrance ayos. Good lang.
Fake lagi ka, Mark.
Dahil, ano na trabaho ulit? Thank you, Day! Ano na trabaho ulit?
In good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure. That's what friends are for. For good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for. Good times, and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for.
That's the version. That's what friends are for. Tinapos nila kanyang pagkakaibigan.
Salamat mga kaibigan!